Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine, happy and healthy. As you all can see, we have come to the Nirala restaurant and it's a Saturday today, which is an off day for my husband. So he thought of taking us out for a breakfast. So this is my favorite destination, that's the family entrance. And we've come to this restaurant maybe after 10 months since Corona came into existence. And now we are entering the restaurant. That's the family section, as I told you all. That's the sitting arrangement for the families. And luckily, no other families were sitting there, and we got the freedom to shoot the video. That's me and Ibrahim waiting for our breakfast. Here it is: aloo ka paratha, chole, halwa, and puri. I just love this combo. And of course my husband also loves it. Whenever we want to have something different for breakfast, we come here, but this time it was more than 6 months, 10 months around. So that's Ibrahim and me enjoying our breakfast, guys. Now these are the 4 lanterns, famous lanterns of Jeddah, and this is the Malik Road, which we have taken to go to the floating mosque. It's a bright sunny day. It's a glass building. And look at this beautiful crossroad. The signal stopped us and I got the chance to capture the lovely view. It's beautiful. So guys, we've reached our destination. Let's explore. Have a look, guys. It's beautiful, isn't it? So guys, after having breakfast in Nirala restaurant in Sharafia, we have reached the floating mosque, as you all can see behind me. This is also known as Masjid-e-Rahma, and it seems as if the masjid is floating on the sea. It is submerged in the sea, but actually it is not. The construction is made in such a way that it gives the impression of it floating on water, on the Red Sea. So we'll be exploring this masjid today. Let's go, guys. So this Masjid-e-Rahma, or the floating mosque, was built in 1985 on the edge of the Jeddah Corniche in Saudi Arabia. And this masjid is also known as Fatima Al-Zahra Mosque. This covers an area of around 2400 square meter. Look at the view of the sea. Beautiful. It's just mesmerizing. You'll get some fresh air for your lungs here. That's us, Ibrahim and me. And this mosque is a combination of modern and old architecture and Islamic art. It consists of 52 outer domes in addition to the main dome. There are 56 windows designed in Islamic style, a high hanging wooden prayer area for women, washroom, and comfortable worship rooms. The best time to visit this is at dawn or at sunset to enjoy the view of the Red Sea. And this is also known as floating mosque because it is surrounded by sea, and during the high tide it appears to be floating on the sea.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. أشهد أن لا إله